If you're not making any money online yet, watch this video. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I kind of just want to, I don't want to say motivate, but kind of. If you're taking the time to watch this video, that means you're probably not making too much money online, or you just starting to search, ways to make money online. And I'm here to tell you that if you really do want to start making money online, it is very, very possible, right? There's so many different options out there that it's mind-boggling, because every day it seems like there's new opportunities that will allow you to make money online. Now, granted, some methods aren't for everybody, right? But you have to, kind of do your own research and figure out what works for you and then run with it. You can also try different, which I like doing, experiment a little bit, try this, try that, try this, and see what takes off. And then whatever thing takes off, then run with it, right? Because, everything from, if you like to write, you can earn extra money as a writer. If you like to do videos, if you like to talk about, certain topics and stuff, you can make money from YouTube, monetize your videos. You can sell affiliate products. If you like to type, right, you can do data entry work and, freelance work. You could do all this stuff. If you like to take surveys, now keep in mind with surveys, there's very, very little money. But if you want to make some extra money and you just want to do stuff like that, you can do that. If you want to, listen to calls and categorize calls and stuff, there's opportunities out there for that. If you want to start your own online business, consultation, online personal training, you name it, it's pretty much out there. If you want to write Kindle books, which I've done, you can make money from Amazon doing that. So it's like it's pretty much endless, guys. So if you're watching this video, subscribe to my channel, because this is the things that I talk about all the time. And if you're serious about making money online, I'm guaranteeing you will find something that will trigger something and motivate you and start putting money in your pocket. All right. So like I said, there's tons of ways to make money online. All you got to do is choose one and start taking some action. All right. Be sure to comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.